All right, hey guys, welcome back to King's Outdoor Life. We're in our backyard today, and rather than fighting as a spokesperson, we're just going to do dueling spokespersons today.
Yeah, I've got it today.
You got it? Okay, go ahead.
Today we have a swarm of bees in our backyard. So I don't know if you can see it very well on the camera, but there is a tight clump of bees right there. There's a queen on that limb, I'm guessing. So they're all just gonna crowd around that queen for now.
So we've called my neighbor, who's the beekeeper. He and I have wrangled a few bees before. So he's bringing his stuff, and what we'll do is we'll pull this limb down and put them all in a box, queen in that big wad, and then we'll set the box up here and they'll all move into that box. So, all right, I'll come back in a minute. We'll have the bee box ready and we'll move in it. Here we go. All right, so we have a special reporter on site today. Turning now to Kaylee King, special reporter.
So I was just sitting at the pool, you know, just chilling, and I look up and I see these bees everywhere, and I was like, huh, those look like honeybees. And then I look up and I see the big old swarm of them up there like he was talking about, and yeah, so I called my dad and I was like, hey, there's a bunch of honeybees, you should come get them. And then they came and now they're getting them.
So she did say one flew off, so we'll try to figure out which one flew off. And
oh, there went another one.
Oh, there went another one. Oh, there went another one. He came back. Okay, well, all right. So they're all girls, by the way. So
oh, they are?
Yeah.
Well, she.
Yeah, so anyway, there they are. We'll get the box. Be right back. Oh, that one doesn't have a bottom in it. Hey, Lawson, your box doesn't have a bottom in it.
Just anywhere would be all right.
You want to try to cut the limb down or pull it all the way down to them?
I think we'd probably pull it all the way down to them, don't you?
I think so too. You want to set the box on the...
Yeah, let's put the box over here.
Here, Lawson. Yeah. Wish it wasn't so windy.
Yeah. Think we ought to get some gear on?
What do you think? Probably would be smarter, wouldn't it?
Probably would be.
My bale's in my truck. The beekeeper had a good idea. Let's get some bee suits on.
Yeah.
So it's probably smarter.
So the bees don't beseech you.
The bees will beseech you.
I believe we can ask.
Or just bring it down and shake them in it.
I believe we can bring it down there and shake them in, to tell you the truth.
Huh?
Worth a try. Let me get.
Jiggled them a little too much, didn't I?
No, I think I jiggled them over here.
Oh. Where's your box?
I think we can just reach up here and break some of them off in there. I hope we get the queen off. See how much damage we did.
Did you get stung?
Good little wad of them right there. Couple of drones. I don't see a queen there though.
Might be still in that one little wad stuck on the tree.
I don't see a wad stuck on a tree.
There is. Come here from this angle, Dad. Right there. From that back angle.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, they're gonna be in that.
You have a pair of
Like head trimmers?
yeah, yeah.
Hey, Dad, you got a pair of head trimmers in there?
Right there.
All right. Now let's see where they go.
Is that it right there? Right. No, that's not one.
That leads me to believe she's over here.
I think so too.
Now they're piling up on that end.
Oh yeah, they are. I see them.
Think we're gonna let them settle down again.
Yeah.
It's obvious she's moved in there. That's why they're all piled up. And they're pretty well all there now. They're not any swing, flying around the yard much right now either. You want to go ahead and try it, Jerry, or just leave them be for a little bit?
We don't need to hurry, I don't think.
I didn't know how long they'd stick around before they'd try to fly on.
Well, they do that too.
I don't know about bees.
I can't get the bees to read the book.
If the bees would read the book, beekeeping would be a lot easier, I understand. Just lay them down there with it, I believe.
All right, we got her in there that time.
She's in there, for sure. Maybe.
And for sure, maybe, yeah.
There's a bunch of them behind me.
Yeah, that's what
And that's kind of concerning. It looks like they're piling up in this hydrangea over here. Yeah. They seem to be piling in this hydrangea over here, bro. Jerry. There also, look. A big pile of them here working that. But there's, as far as what's flying, there's a wad of them in this hydrangea over here.
Oh, I see it. There's a wad. There's a building right over there on that right side.
And they're all just beelining to her. That is so crazy how they can find her. Yeah, they're all piling up right there in that hydrangea. How did we miss her? How did we miss her?
I don't know.
Sit the whole limb in there probably.
Butchering your hydrangea here.
It's all right. We're trying to move.
I'm afraid to say we got her, but I said that last time.
Yeah. But they're all coming back to that same area anyway.
Come over here. See them marching in the hive.
Yeah, they're marching in the hive like crazy. So those on the ground, they aren't seem to be particularly interested in anything over there. They all seem to be moving, like you say, towards the hive. And all these from the sky are coming towards the hive too. So I feel better about it this time than previous times. There's a bunch on this side of the box too, which is a little bit concerning, but I believe they're going to try to come in the box. I shouldn't be wearing a black shirt doing this. But they're more concerned with her right now than they are me, I believe. I'm just a little concerned about that big wad right there.
Yeah, me too. You think I ought to try to take my glove and scoop them in there?
Let's give them a minute and see what they do.
Give them a minute there.
See a drone. I think she's in there.
You don't. They're not flying, swarming around like they were.
Right.
last time. I think we'll go ahead and put those other two combs in cross comb and that, but they're not going to do that. It's just. Got a little honey on it.
All right. Well, I'm gonna say she's in there now.
Yeah.
Here's a drone over here. So I'll run it fast forward here. We've let them sit here for 5-10 minutes or so, and we want to put the lid on there just to keep everything contained. So we're putting it on the lid, trying not to mash any bees, and getting this thing ready for transport after dark tonight. All right, so what I did here is I just kind of dug it out a little bit all the way around, and got it on a good level place. It's not completely level, but bees don't carry a level. It's a little low on the back, which is kind of good because you don't want the water to stand on it anyway, right? So anyway, I've got this little dirt here. I'll spread this dirt around and see what you want to get these bees about 8 inches off the ground. I don't know why. I guess those stuff maybe won't get to them or whatever. I had these little bricks here. I thought I might need those, but I don't. All right, it's 5 o'clock now. We'll wait till after dark, and we'll move those bees. So what you want to do is you want to wait till all the bees go in the hive at night, and then move them at night. So we'll come back after dark and move them down here. All right, they're still just kind of milling around the box. Most of them are in the box, but if you get down real close, you can see them coming and going right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'll set the camera up here. What I'm gonna do is get this strap, because each of these pieces are separate. There's 1, 2, 3 pieces, and then this top cover. So they're all separate. And we put this ratchet strap around it to hold them together. I would usually wait till after dark to do that, but I want you to be able to see on camera how you do this. If they get upset, I'll quit. But if I can do this without upsetting them, that would be good. That should be good. All right, we got to go to a high school graduation, but after that we'll come back at, I don't know, 9 or 10 o'clock or whatever, and we'll pick this baby up and move them to their new home. It's 10:30 on Friday night. We're just getting back from our friend's graduation party. Don't tell my wife that I put a hive of bees in her minivan. But I mean, aren't minivans made to carry hives of bees? I think so. I can back the minivan all the way down the backyard to the new beehive location. Just don't tell her. All right, so come a little closer there, Anna. Special guest video.
Hey guys.
A screen on there, and that keeps them from getting out. So take the screen off, and tomorrow they can come and go as they please. So I see some ants.
There's one coming out.
Look, there's a bee coming out. See some ants at our house. I guess some ants had found their way in, but the bees will kill those ants, so that's okay. I'm gonna leave this strap on there for now. All right, so they're at their new home. It is 10:45 at night, but we'll check on them tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, and share with a friend.